Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to grill a steak. Check out my other videos where I show you how to marinate a steak, but you can see, look at that. You got that good coating of garlic and pepper and sea salt. And so you bring it over to your grill. Stick this on there. I've messed with a bunch of grills, man, and they're all great in a different way. This grill right here is just a kettle style grill. You can expand this video's description and click the link there and find where to order it online. Also, this right here, did you know this is not a typical grilling spatula? This has a magnet in it. Look at this. Look at that, like a boss, man. It just sticks to it. So you can stick your thing wherever you want to stick it. And you know, one thing I recommend is you know, you go to a steakhouse, you'll pay a premium, and they're like, oh man, that's for the ambiance, you know, and that's true. You know, sometimes you want to go out for a nice dinner, but the sad reality is that what you can do in your backyard. See, look at that. You can see the garlic and the pepper and the sea salt. It's a beautiful cut of ribeye steak. Depending upon your degree of doneness, your preference, you may like it well done. You may like it rare or whatever. What I always start doing is cooking it right over the charcoal. I'll let it cook for a little bit, and then I'll flip it. Now, you notice there's charcoal in there, but a little trick, and you can find it linked within this video's description too. I put hickory chips on top of the coals. So see that smoke? That's not just your normal smoke from charcoal. That smoke that's hickory as well. So you get that hickory flavor in your steak, and that's what sets a decent steak apart from an exceptional steak. And so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna flip this right here. Look at that. See, it's already starting to cook. Look at that, those grill marks. Another little tip: when you flip this thing, don't always flip it the same way. Kind of do it so you get that crisscross pattern, and that makes you look like a professional. Look at that. I'm so hungry, man, you have no idea. But see, I like my steak well done. I'm a weirdo. Look at that. That's how to grill a steak, man. You know, just take your time. Get your coals good and hot. Add a little bit of hickory in there. Take your time. Figure out what your preference is as far as degree of doneness. And then once you cook a few steaks, you can do it perfect every time. Hope this video helped. If it did, please be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon. And that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And check out all of Chef IrixGuy's other videos too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.